Hey food lovers, welcome back to Hafsat-Kitchen. Today, I'm sharing the secret behind that crispy, juicy fried chicken you always crave at your favorite fast food spot, Poultry Like Fire. This recipe is perfectly seasoned, golden, and full of that irresistible Niger flavor. Let's get started. Ingredients. Here's what we'll be using. Chicken, vegetable oil, wheat flour, corn flour, garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, eggs, liquid milk, onions leaves, and a bit of seasoning. Everything here adds up to one thing: crispy on the outside, soft and juicy inside. Cut your chicken into your desired sizes. Wash it thoroughly, drain the water, and use a tissue to pat it dry. That's how you reduce moisture and get that perfect crisp later. Now, in a large bowl, add half a teaspoon of salt, ground ginger and garlic, a little dry pepper, adjust to how spicy you like it. Then add curry and thyme for that nice aroma. Next, add 3 cubes of seasoning, a few spoons of vegetable oil, and a splash of dark soy sauce for that rich color and taste. Mix everything well, rubbing the seasoning all over the chicken. Make sure every piece is coated. Now cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and place it in your microwave for a few minutes to help the flavors sink in. If you don't have a microwave, you can just marinate it for about 45 minutes. Set it aside, and let's move to the next step. In another bowl, measure 1 cup of wheat flour. Add 3 teaspoons of corn flour. This gives your chicken a crunchy texture. Season your flour with a little salt, ground pepper, and a pinch of seasoning cube. Stir well and set aside. separate bowl, break 3 eggs. Add 1/4 of a tin of liquid milk, a pinch of salt, and whisk it thoroughly. That's your wet mix ready to go. Now take each piece of your microwaved or marinated chicken. Dip it fully into the egg mixture, make sure every side is well coated. Next, roll it inside your flour mixture until it's fully covered. If you want it extra crispy, repeat the process: egg, flour, egg, flour. Now heat up your vegetable oil in a deep frying pan. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoking. Once ready, gently drop in your coated chicken pieces. Fry in batches on medium heat, turning them occasionally. Until they're golden brown and crispy all around. You'll start to see that beautiful crunch forming. Once done, remove and drain on paper towel. Now, for that final touch, drizzle just a few drops of sesame oil and oyster sauce over your fried chicken. Then sprinkle some chopped fresh onion leaves for color and aroma. This step gives it that restaurant-style glaze and irresistible flavor. And there you have it, my crispy Nigerian fried chicken. Golden brown, juicy inside, with that finger-licking taste you can't resist. Serve it with fried rice, spaghetti, chips, or enjoy it just like that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hafsat.